let's dive into why you're having lack of creativity. Lack of creativity can come in many forms of way, like such as writer block. Have like a clothing brand and you can't come up with designs, or maybe you're an artist and you can't think of like what to draw or what to like what colors to do. You feel me? Like, it's just different things of that nature. But specifically for the first part, we're gonna talk about writer's block because I do music and my channel is mainly about music. So my supporters come first. So let me get them out the way, and then I'll dive deeper into the others' lack of creativity. If you don't know what writer's block is, don't worry. I had the definition right here. So let's read it together. And now on the definition, it says right here, the condition of being unable to think of what to write or how to proceed with writing. I'm still in school, bro. Don't say nothing about my ring. But shit, yeah. Okay, with me reading that definition, I also want to give an example. So for that example, I'm going to use me, cause I experienced it. Obviously, that's why I haven't posted in 2 months. So, I lost some creativity. I'll say that. But it's not like I lost it like it's foreverly gone. It's just that I was kind of mentally unstable in my headspace during that time, so I really couldn't think straight, and that caused me to mess up on the thing I love most, which is music. So I really couldn't say how I feel or think of cool stuff to say that I would like to hear on my own music. So yeah, basically that was writer's block right there. That was an example for you. Sorry you ain't get it. I could try to put it better, but this is my first type of video like this, so y'all just bear with me. I'm trying my best here. Alright, now that we have discussed what is writer's block, let's talk about how can you get rid of it. So first I'm gonna tell you my experience on how I got rid of it. So let's go ahead and get into that. Alright, so what I started off doing is I went back and listened to like most of all my old songs and like newer songs that I had made before I had writer's block. I listened to the lyrics, the flow, and what I did. I studied like the mixing that I did, the flow, like everything that I did on that song. I studied it because I needed to know what was I missing. What was I missing? Why can't I do what I did before? And if you do something once, you can do it again. I'll tell you that. You do something once, you can do it again. So, yeah. Let's get to the second one. The second thing you can do is you can also listen to other artists that you love. And when I say other artists that you love, I wouldn't say go to another genre and listen. I would say like stay in that genre, the genre of music that you make. Stay in the genre of music that you make, and find that artist and listen to their flows. Like mine was like Lil Tony, L5, and all them Atlanta folk. You feel me? I rap like an Atlanta person, but don't at the same time I have my own unique flow. I don't rap like everybody else. If you haven't heard my music, go check it out. I got some new stuff coming. It's gonna be great. I swear it's gonna be great. But yeah, go listen to some newer folks and just vibe out to that. And like just take a break from it. Take a break from it. You don't want to stress your brain out. You don't want to stress your brain out over something that you just can't do. It's always gonna come back to you. As long as you trying your best to make it come back, it's gonna come back to you. Just don't strain your brain trying to make it come. Alright? Because it's always gonna come. I'm trying to tell you, it's always gonna come. The third thing, I would say just do you. Like, I honestly don't even know how else to put it, but like just do you, fam. Like, I keep saying this. Take a break from it, fam. Like, take a break. Just take a break. I ain't gonna say go soul searching, but like stuff that you like, I say go do like other stuff that you like clothes or gaming. Oh my! But to end on the section of writer's block, I want to say just take a break from music and go explore other creativities. Yeah. All right. Let's get into creativity block. All right. So here on the Google definition, creativity block say it's a creativity block is a period of time when a person experiences a lack of inspiration or motivation to create. So with that being said, It says it's about motivation and a lack of inspiration. I feel like you should be your own inspiration, and it shouldn't take motivation for you to have creativity. I feel like it's really discipline. You know what I'm saying? Like, discipline can get you a long way. Motivation is just like, yes, you can do it. But when that person not there to say you can do it, what are you gonna do? Are you gonna sit there and fold, or are you going to do what you was trained to do, which is discipline? You're going to do because that's what you're supposed to do. That's what you're supposed to do because that's what you're trained to do. You get what I'm saying? And inspiration, you could be your own inspiration, but it's good to have other inspirations like Tupac, Lil Tony, all them good folk. You feel me? Like that's some good inspiration to have because they are good artists. So yeah, what I would say is like have discipline and make sure you find good inspiration. Don't lose yourself. Don't lose yourself. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I hope I could help you out a little bit. Thank you for watching, and for my supporters and my viewers that watches my videos normally, I will have a video coming out probably about mixing or another band lab preset. So just stay tuned for that. I ain't forget about y'all, and make sure y'all like and subscribe. I'll meet with y'all boy later.